Hi there, my name is Jalil. Today I'm going to share with you 5 hidden apps in Microsoft Windows 10. These apps are pre-installed with Microsoft Windows 10. So let's dive into them. The first one is Dictation tool. As you can see, Dictation tool. If you are lazy like me, you don't like typing, this tool is for you. So let's go and see how it works. To enable it, go to press Windows key plus H. Windows key plus H. As you can see it here. Before you can do anything, look at the description. To use Dictation, select a text field. Okay. To use the Dictation, select a text field. You can see it here. This is a text field. Okay. Let's go into it. Let's say something for it to write for us. Before, this sign here is for your microphone. So press it and see. Listening. Can you see the writing? In this step-by-step tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a 3D object and scenes, and how to use the microphone tool. Can you see? So if you are lazy like me, you can use this tool to help you write your document. I hope you can see. Look how it is doing the work for you, writing everything you are saying. When you finish, you just tap back. That's all. So you can see all what I said is written here. You can see. Okay, you can break it down for you to see everything I said. It is typed here. You see? So this tool is very good for us. We can use it to write our document. Okay, before you can use this tool, you should have a microphone installed on your machine. Microphone, you can use any of these microphones. Install a microphone on your machine. Okay, let's go. After this, we have another one. The second one is Snipping sketch. Okay. This Snipping sketch tool is very good. To enable it, Windows plus Shift S. Can you see it? So you can take a sketch or a snip from your screen. So let's use this one, the first one, rectangular snip. Let's use it. You see how it is. It's rectangular. Oh, rectangular or a square. You can have a square. You see, it is saved. Okay, let's see another use of it. Let's go back. Windows Shift S, it is there. Use this one, freeform snip. Look at it, how it works. You see, okay, this one too is saved. Let's go to another option. Windows Shift S, you have this one here. Windows, this one will take the entire window or the entire screen for you. Done. Okay, here full screen. Okay, this one too done. So where can we get our snips or the screenshots? Okay, after this one we go to another one, which is the fourth one, Xbox Gamer. It can also be used like snip tool, like this one we just finished with. So to enable that one, to go to Window plus G as in game. You see, okay, this one you just want to take a snip or a screenshot of your windows or your screen. Just tap here, pop, it is done. Look at it, this is how it is. Okay, let's go to another picture to show you how it is done. You just want to take the screenshot of this one, Window plus G, come here, finish, you have it. This is how it looks. So if you want to share it, share to Twitter or copy it to clipboard. So just copy it and go and paste it anywhere you want. Let's do another demonstration. Let's say this one, Window G, take the picture, pop, you have it here. So all these are all the pictures have been taken, all the screenshots have been taken. So let's go to another app, which is Office app. This Office app, it comes with Windows 10. You don't need to install Windows 10. After installing Windows 10, you don't need to install Office if you have this feature here. So let's go and look for it. Let me show you how to get it. So you have here, type Windows here, you can get it here. Windows app, Office app, sorry, Office app, it is here. So you have it here. You can install the Office from here if you want, or you can choose any one Office product from here. So let's use the Word and see how it is used. New blank document. And if you are lazy, as I said earlier on, you can just type, you can just bring the dictation tool, which is Window plus H. It is here. So let's type something. Okay, now you have the Windows Office app. Now you have the Office app. You just want to type some small documents here. So as you can see, it is typing. Anything I say, it will type it. Just show you the demonstration here. So you saw this one too. No need to install Windows if you have this already installed for you. So let's go to bonus apps. So you have now 5 apps. The first one was Dictation tool, the second one was Snipping sketch, the third one was Xbox Gamer. We took the screenshot, and now we are going to calculation app, which is here, calculator. This calculator has hidden features that many of us don't know about. So you come here, look at a lot of features here. Now you can convert a currency from here, or temperature, or volume, or length, anything is here, or speed, area. So you just type, let's use the currency and see. You have $1 is 0.92 euro. So you can change the, you see you have Ghana cedi here. Wow, $1 is 7 cedis. Wow. So let's choose another one. £1 is 9.18 Ghana cedis. Wow. So let's see, we have like Zambian, is it kwacha? Okay, so 1 kwacha is 0.39. okay, Ghana cedi is stronger than this one. Okay, let's choose another. Ukraine. Wow, Ukraine is here. Okay, 1 Ukrainian, I don't know how to pronounce this one. Is it Hryvnia? Oh, okay, that is not important. We have 1 here, and Ghana cedi is even stronger than Ukraine currency. Wow. So this feature is here. Go to another one. Let's see temperature. Okay, we have this one to Celsius. So you want to change the denominator here, just change it here and change here. Okay, let's go to area or speed. Let's say weight or mass. Okay, let's choose area. Okay, 20, let's say 20 square feet is 1.85,000 or 858,061 square meter. So 20 square feet is 1.85 square meter. Okay, let's change it. Let's use acre. 20 acre is how many? Let's say square kilometer. So you have 0.0 20 acre. Okay, let's use another one here. Square mile is 51 square kilometers. Okay, as you can see, it has a lot of features. You can go through it, and if you are a programmer, this will help you very much. You see, these are all this is here. You can also use this feature to help you in your studies if you are a programmer. And graphing, scientific, standard, this is the one you always use. Okay, let's go to another app. I have video editor app. This one comes with Windows 10. So if you want to edit some video, or you want to add to video, just come here, video editor. Okay, we have it here. So this video editor, just when you come here, just create new video project and name it anyhow you want it. Anyhow. Okay, anti-Becky, anti-B. Let me name the video anti-B. Okay, so now you can bring 2 videos from your PC. Let's say these 2 videos I did for a client. Okay, it's an intro video for a YouTube channel. So let's see how you can bring the videos here. The 2 videos are here. So it has a lot of features. You can tweak it as the way you want. Okay, you see, you can add the two. You can add a title to it. As I said, what is the title here? The title is here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, let me add a motion. You see the motion? Okay, choose anyone you want. Done. Now let's go to the video and see the way the motion will work. Okay, after that you can modify the speed. You can add a 3D effect to it. Let's see how this one will work. You have a lot of, okay, it is loading. As you can see, it is loading. When you finish, you go to finish here. You can also trim. I forgot to say this one. If the video is too long, you can trim it here. You can trim the video here. So let's go to finish. This is the recommended 1080p, the recommended size. Oh yes. Okay, let's export the video. Let's go back to where we took it. Is it from here? Okay, you see, you can export the video there. So this is a tool you can use to edit your video, add some features. You don't need any fancy editing software. This one can help you if you are not doing any serious business with your videos. If just fun, you are doing some fun, this editing, a video editor can help you do it all. So as you can see, you saw the motion we added. So that's all. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do that and like our video to support us. Thank you very much. I hope to see you next time. Bye.